they can do their job. I cannot do everything. I'm a human being.
That's true, Your Excellency. With the capacity also comes responsibility.
Yes.
Those officers that you've mentioned are the ones that have been involved in what we can call the debacle about dropping of cases. The ODPP, the DPP goes to court and says, I was expecting the DCI to give me more information. The DCI has not given me more information, so I have nothing to take this case forward. The controller of budget went to Parliament, and she actually also spoke about what happened with regards to the Telecom Kenya payment. Now, these are officers who they're independent constitutionally, but they have sworn an oath of office on how to do their job. Do you think to take responsibility for these actions, for taking somebody to court over 8 years, no prosecution proceeds, and then a case is dropped on account of I do not have evidence?
They are the best placed to answer those questions. And they should answer those questions. I mean, if you've taken somebody to court for 8 years, and then you actually did not have a case against them, it was orchestrated, it was malicious, you have something to answer, you know? Because my understanding, from what I have seen in the courts, is that there are people who have been taken to court and the cases have never moved, you know, from day one. You know, the cases have never made even a step. And it is the reason why I asked Kinoti to resign and leave. Because he was involved in the exercise of politicizing the criminal justice system.
Is that sufficient?
Which is unacceptable to me, you know, which is unacceptable to me. So, and you can ask Mr. Amin, you can ask the new IG. He rarely receives a call from me on anything because I want them to do their job. My friend, I have a job to do here. I wake up early, I sleep late. I don't have time to go and do the job of a policeman. I don't have to go and do the job of a judge. Let them also do it.